Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm glad you're here. If you like what you're listening to right now, you could kindly subscribe and also like and share so that we can be able to reach out to more people and you get more of the same content. So today we're going to be looking at the 5 ways you can actually use turmeric. Turmeric is an old Indian spice with powerful medicinal properties and distinctive yellow color. In fact, I must tell you, turmeric is one of the beneficial spices in the world and has been valued for centuries in many cultures. So, in addition, I want you to know right now that turmeric has powerful antioxidants, antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-carcinogenic, anti-mutagenic, and antifungal properties. So knowing this amazing spice actually further treats inflammation. It soothes the symptoms of arthritis and provides high amounts of iron, copper, protein, calcium, magnesium, zinc, niacin, dietary fiber, and vitamins K, E, and C. So I want you to know that it is very important. This whole thing mentioned, this whole benefits you can actually find right in turmeric spices. So here are some extra health benefits for turmeric. Remember, I'm going to tell you, we're going to be looking at the 5 ways you can actually use turmeric. So looking at this clearly, it is clear that turmeric actually helps to boost your immunity. Turmeric is very high in liposaccharide and has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that assist strengthen the immune system. Number 2, it protects the liver. Turmeric cleans the toxins due to the high amount of enzymes it contains. Therefore, it's called a natural liver detoxifier. So turmeric actually heals. That's the third thing I want you to know right now. Turmeric, it heals. With its strong antiseptic and antibacterial effect, turmeric can really heal wounds, cuts, burns, and suits various skin conditions. The first thing I want you to know is that when you take turmeric, it's actually good for a healthy heart. You can lower the risk of heart disease by using turmeric since it lowers cholesterol levels and breaks down fat. The fifth thing I want you to know is that turmeric totally relieves arthritis. So many of you who complain of arthritis, here you are. The ingredient turmeric can actually help you with that. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric are extremely beneficial for treating osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis and joint pain. So it's actually very clear today that these 5 things are things, and other things we may not be able to mention. We should know that turmeric also helps with body weight control. It also helps with treatment of depression and help digestion as well. So knowing all these things, these are the benefits you can find in the spices called turmeric. So if, as a bonus for today, I will be giving you just one recipe you can prepare that can actually change your life. So with turmeric juice, the ingredients you need is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or half-inch turmeric roots, half a lemon, sea salt. Then the preparations you just need is that at first you squeeze the lemon, then mix its juice with a pinch of sea salt and turmeric. So the last thing you ought to do with that is that you use a blender to thoroughly mix these ingredients and sip thereafter, pour it into a glass cup, and then enjoy the drink to enjoy the benefits that the spicy provides. I hope this actually has helped someone out there, someone who is looking at turmeric and always saying what kind of spicy it is. It has a whole lot in it, so start using turmeric today. Thank you. Goodbye.